Natural gas prices crashed sharply last week, where we have seen it hitting the lows and closing towards $2.3 levels. Almost 20% of the worth is erased in 1 week. Now, what to expect from the gas next week? Is it going to continue with this downward momentum, giving a gap down again and continuing on the downside? Or there is a possibility of a reversal? What is going to be our strategy trading net gas next week? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates. Press the bell icon to get the notification. Yes, I do release daily update for NetGuess with the Asia and Europe session. Also like, share, subscribe, and comment, friends. Your every like, share, comment, subscribe is a great motivation for me to deliver. Let's start. First, we'll look into monthly charts, and towards the end, I will give you the trading levels and strategy. Watch till the end. If you're not joined the channel membership, join the channel memberships to get the additional benefits. Now look at the monthly charts. First of all, moving average is crossing over here. Bearish sign. Prices retraced. The prices were divergent from the moving averages here. It is retraced towards the moving average, and since then we have seen it converging. Now, what has happened this month is it has achieved the highs at 3.1 plus level, and since then a massive pullback is seen. But right now, even if you look at it, it is still giving you higher lows here. Yes, this is the third red candle in succession. Right now it is still giving the higher lows. Now we have to wait for it to break below 2.8, and look at this zone 5 monthly candles getting the support at around 2.06 2.1 levels, which makes these levels as a very good support. Thus, currently now gas prices has to drop below 2.1 2.06 levels in order to confirm the bearish momentum, where we are looking forward to $2 and below levels, where the next milestone is going to be somewhere here at 1.8 1.6, where there is a gap left to be filled at around $1.8. Now also on the monthly charts, if you look at after the retracement, this is looking downwards. I will wait for the next week which direction it wants to take, because any drop below 2.2 certainly should be a bearish indication. Stochastic falling vertically to the oversold levels. MACD here, see, it has retraced here, it has dropped sharply and again looking downwards. Again a bearish sign, though the most of the move is done and possibility for it to converge crossover exists, but it has not yet crossed over. RSI is looking down again. Coming to the weekly, likewise on the weekly charts, after forming the bottom here, price is retraced here towards 3.6 levels, achieving the 50 period. We have seen it reversing. Look what has happened in last few weeks. There was a reversal sign. We have very clearly said that it is trying to reverse. It has achieved 3.1, and now a sharper drop has been seen. All the gains are erased in just, and it has come to the levels from which this drop rise has started, or the retracement has started. Thus, we have to now wait for it to break below $2.2 levels in order to confirm further bearish momentum. Now one must look at, see, the preceding candle, the last week candle, it has closed at the bottom with a sharper drop, and this suggests that the coming week possibly it may give a gap down opening where the prices may open low. Thus first 2.2 levels you should watch out for, and then below that this is the stronger support zone. We have to be very careful at around 2.1 2.06 zone. Stochastic after retracing now looking downwards again. MACD, now look at MACD. What MACD has done here is, see, the drop was sharper, the retracement was gradual, it is crossed over, and since then it is trading with divergence and bearishness. This is the only bearish indication here on the weekly charts. RSI looking downwards here. Coming to the daily, likewise on the daily charts, the drop here, the retracement, moving averages were on the verge of a crossover, failing to do so. We have now started to look downwards here. Moving averages again is starting to look downwards and diverge. And yes, if you look at the price movement of the price, it is again divergent from the moving average. Now we have to wait, like I had discussed, that it has to break below 2.2. Possibly a gap down in the coming week might take it below 2.2, and then it continue to trade in this channel here, where the bottom is below $2 levels. Now then below 2.2, again the support levels at 2.1 and 2.06 is very strong, what we had seen. So we have to wait for it to break. After that certainly it is going to stay towards 1.96 $1.8 levels. Also look at the last two candles, consistently bearishness was seen and it has closed at the bottom. Now see, this can continue for a while, but we have to wait for it to break below these support levels. Stochastic has come to oversold levels. Look at daily MACD. After reversing here, it has crossed over again, trading with divergence, increasing bearish candles here. This is the very point I have showed the same on my daily indications as well, that this divergence could continue to increase on the downside, which means still there could be little more bearish momentum. RSI looking downwards. Coming to 4, likewise on the 4-hour charts, moving averages 50 and 100 crossing over here at 2.6, 2.65 zone, making it a great resistance. So first resistance on the upside is at around 2.5 and then 2.6, 2.65 levels. If only you see net gas above these levels, then we can consider this for a reversal here, and then I will look forward for it to break or bridge the gap here at around $2.8 levels here. Else it is continuing to trade in this bearish channel, and right now if you notice this, it is almost at the bottom of this channel here, and that is why we can also see the bearishness getting diminished with the candles here. Thus, once on the first trading session, that is the Monday, if you see it staying about 2.36, we can possibly expect it to rise a little more, where we can look forward for it to retrace towards 2.4 and 2.45. Now this is the zone it needs to break, that is 2.45 and 2.5 levels, beyond which further bullish momentum to be seen, and then 2.6, 2.65. Stochastic has come to extremely oversold levels. MACD is divergent, bearish, looking downwards, and it has come to extremely oversold levels. RSI has also come towards extremely oversold levels here on net gas. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy for the coming week. And before I give you the trading levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my 28th mentorship batch commencing on 29th of January. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for more details. You can write down an email to me, or you can ping me on Telegram. All the links are shared in the channel and video description. Also, you can join my signals channel on Telegram, where trading as per the signals you can benefit. And yes, you can also get the details about the mentorship batch and the webinar series on my platform www.forexfunda.com. Webinar series comes with 2 additional benefits of free consultations with me, one-to-one consultations with me, where we can discuss anything and everything related to your existing trades or a futuristic prediction for any instrument you want me to make. Register for the webinar series and enjoy the benefits. Now, coming to the trading levels. See, first we can buy here only. First, if you see it is staying about 2.32, you can buy, but then 2.35, 2.36 is the zone which you should watch out for. First resistance, immediate resistance at around these levels. Then beyond this, the next target is going to be 2.4, and the strongest resistance is in between 2.46 and 2.5 levels. This is the zone we need for net gas to break out. If it breaks out beyond this zone, we can say that moderate bullish momentum can be expected in gas, where it can try to move towards 2.62 levels, which is going to be the next resistance. Or let me write 2.62, 2.65, the next zone. And only if it stays above this zone, you can expect that prices have reversed and it is looking towards 2.76, 2.8, and after that certainly $3 levels can be seen. The chances for which chances of a complete reversal appears to be less, but yes, there could be a possible retracement. It could try to close the month in a doji, where this could be the first reversal sign, and the next month onwards possibly a rise can be seen. So yes, it has come to a crucial levels. That is what definitely we can conclude. On the down, a selling entry at 2.28 can be taken. Below this, certainly we are looking forward to 2.2 level, and below 2.2, 2.18 zone is where maximum support exists for gas. Below this, you can look forward to 2.1 levels, 2.06 levels, which you should be watchful and cautious of. This is a stronger support zone. If it breaks below this, we are looking forward to lower prices in the coming few sessions, where the prices are willing to hit $1.8 levels, chances for which are there but appears to be less, because where this monthly candle closes, that is going to be observed. If it closes at around 2.5, 2.6 zone, then we can say that the coming few months are going to stay bullish again. Thus take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch webinar series Signals channel. Join the free Telegram channel to get the live updates and the Signals channel to get the premium updates. And yes, do join the platform forexfunda.com for answers to all your queries. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. See you again with the Asia and Europe session update every day. Thank you.